I chose tornadoes for my course theme. I chose this topic because I feel it can be made into a fun and interactive lesson for students. Additionally, it's a topic that can be relatable and help keep students safe for the rest of their lives. I want to discuss a few topics within this theme, and the first one will be about tornado formation. Here I hope to explore and explain in depth how tornadoes form and how they begin through funnel clouds. I also will be including information about tornado frequency and location. I want to focus on Tornado Alley, as well as discuss how recent climate changes have affected tornadoes both positively and negatively. Safety will be a large portion of the information presented, including the difference between tornado watches and warnings and the steps to take for safety during a tornado. And finally, I want to focus on the after effects of tornadoes and how students, teachers, and communities can all help one another in the aftermath. That is my course theme. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.